Hi, this is Sir Bren, and in this video, I will show you how to run correlation with simple regression in Minitab. In this example, we have three variables, namely speed, driver reaction time, and stopping distance. Speed as the independent or predictor variable, and driver reaction time, stopping distance as dependent or response variables. We want to know the speed affects stopping distance when car brakes is applied. We will run first a scatter plot for regression analysis. To do this, go to Graph, Scatter plot, and then choose the default simple. Press OK. The Y variable is stopping distance, while the X variable is speed. Click OK. We can visually notice a strong positive correlation as speed increases, so as stopping distance. To do a correlation test, go to Stat, Basic Statistics, Correlation, place speed and stopping distance to variables, stay with the default. For Pearson correlation and confidence level at 95%, press OK, then OK. In this session window, we can see the correlation coefficient of 0.994. R is very near to 1. Thus, we have a strong correlation coefficient, which is very significant. To run or draw a line of best fitted line plot, and to determine the regression line equation, go to Stat, Regression, Fitted line plot. Response Y is stopping distance, predictor X is speed, and take note that the type of regression model is at default linear. Then click OK. Now we can see the regression equation. The R square at 98.89% and the R squared adjusted 98.84%, indicating a strong correlation, and the p-value, which is less than 0.05, thus indicating also a very strong correlation that is very significant. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel, Sir Bren. Keep safe always and happy learning.